Hello everybody and welcome to today's video, and today we are going to be doing a lesson on how to pick up and pick out your horse's feet. Now you should be picking out your horse's feet every time you ride, and that's to keep pieces of debris from getting stuck in the hoof and causing your horse any pain. Hoof picks here. Which one do you like?
Well, this is the one that we normally use.
Okay, so do you want to use that one?
Sure.
Alright, okay, to pick up the hoof, you are going to face the back of the horse, reach down, you're going to squeeze that fetlock, squeeze the fetlock a little lower, that's not the fetlock. There you go. Come on, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now come up and you're going to rest it on your, no, not that far down, you're going to squat, but just rest it up again. That's not going to work either. If the horse moves, you're in trouble. There you go. Just rest it up against your knee. There you go. Now, if you look at it the way that you're holding your hands, let me show you something. You want to flip it around. Oop. So here's the deal. You want to flip it around like this so you can actually use your whole wrist to get it in there, okay? So try it flipped around that way. There you go. Use your wrist, and flick it out. What are the parts of the hoof? Do you remember them?
Frog.
Very good. The inside of the hoof you're touching.
Sole.
Very good. And what would you put a horseshoe on? The hoof wall. Very good. Now here comes the back foot. Now remember, you're going to stretch out from the horse. So walk back where it's comfortable. Kind of take a step towards me a little bit. There you go. Come on, take a step. There you go. Now step out and you're going to rest it right on the crook of your thigh. Step towards me. Step towards me. A little bit more, come on. A little bit more out. You're going to have to rest the horse's hoof up. All right. So you're going to so step forward until she gets a nice good grip. There you go. So you've got control of that back leg. Now find the base of the frog and flick out. There you go. Find the base. It's that triangle. It's okay, you're not going to hurt them. Go ahead. There you go. Get all that nasty stuff out. Isn't that fun? Now you're going to have to shift her weight. So kind of push her over a little bit. Now shift her weight. Step out. Step out from the horse. Out from the horse. There you go. You want to get her leg in the crook of your hip right there. There you go. Now does that feel a whole lot easier? All of her weight is right there on your hip. So much easier. Good job. All right, final one. There you go. Now you got it. That's so much easier, isn't it? There you go. Good job. You have just picked out your horse's feet. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and remember, to see even more, check out our playlists.